We are at the Franconia Sculpture Park. Kinship of Rivers is invited to be part of this beautiful, amazing family of art. We brought fabric, markers, paint, and a lot of kids and adults are here making poetry and prayer flags and making art with the local plant we collected from this area. The sun is shining, the wind is blowing, beautiful words are pouring out of our hearts to bless the river and the land, which are also blessing us back. We are one big family.
Hi. Hi, Ping.
Hi, beautiful Eliza. How are you doing? So good to see you here again.
You too.
Yeah. I love your artwork.
Thanks.
It's the face you make now, off-duty, the one I love the most. This is why I sometimes feel the need to bother you for what seems like no reason. I'm trying to set us both free. This is my holy distraction.